right now we have our sample complete, but what if you wanted to add a border? Because I've been using a 6.5mm size K Afghan hook, I need to reduce the hook down to a 5.5 size I. And the reason for it is that the tension of Tunisian is more than regular crochet. So if I use a 6.5mm size K with this particular concept, the last round will be really sloppy. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to trace around the outside of it. You're going to notice is that you have all the loops on every side of this done. And so you can follow with exactly with what you see all the way around, including the bottom here. So let's begin to do a border, and probably recommending around 3 rounds complete. And let's begin. To begin a border, all points of a corner are always going to be 3 single crochet. So just slip in your hook, attach with a slip stitch, chain 1, and place in 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. So every corner will have 3 single crochet. So you're just going to follow with exactly what you see. And so you're just going to evenly space out your single crochets across. So just come into the side here, okay, and come into your connection spot, and just worry about catching every stitch. So remember, the connection spot is also a stitch. Okay, so you might want to weave in your ends to make sure it's nice and tight, and you're going to go all the way across in the same format. So this border helps prevent the rolling effect that happens. So then essentially what you're doing is called the blocking. So you're blocking the project to stop the roll. Okay, on your very final one here, just treat it like that chain 1 and place in 3 single crochet to make the turn. And I told you that all sides have those stitches, so you're going to be able to see those. Okay, it's just like a regular stitch that you see. And you're just going to travel down the sides. So you're going to go all the way around. Just use the stitches that you can see. And I'll be right back in a moment. When you come back around, just slip stitch to the beginning single crochet. And you know that because you put 3 in immediately, that's not the middle. So what I need you to do is just chain up 1 and single crochet into the same. And it's the middle one of the 3 that is the corner. So you're still going to apply 3 single crochets into each corner stitch. And then because you've already established all the way around, you're just going to follow it in single crochet all the way around. So just make sure you put 3 into the corners. And I'm going to go all the way around, and I'll be right back. So I'm all the way back around, and I'm just going to slip stitch to the beginning single crochet. We know that we're not on the corner yet, so just chain up 1, and you're going to single crochet in the first 2 to get yourself to the first corner. It's the third one of the, or it's the second one of the group of 3. Put 3 single crochets in that one, and just going all the way around again. Again, the middle one of the grouping of 3 in corners is getting 3 single crochet. You're going to notice is that the roll has stopped because I'm doing what is called as blocking, and that's what I'm up to now. So I'll see you at the end of the round. So at the very end, I'm just going to slip stitch to the top of the first single crochet, and then I'm done. So you just have to shape it now. You can just damp block it if you want to, but you can see that you have your Tunisian done. It's sitting flat. You'll have all your ends to weave in, which are just on the sides because you've been going up through a diagonal. And it's been a neat process to be able to learn this concept, but you can see it looks pretty awesome. That's it for today, and we hope you enjoyed today's course. We'll see you.